Amber fog lights for the Tucson. These ones are really nice because they're a perfect fit depending on where you like them and how you want them. These ones are just 4 inches wide and they're 36 watts, triple roll, 3600 lumens, come with a 2-year warranty. They even thank you for buying them. And they're aluminum, cooling fins, upgraded reflector cup. They're rust and corrosion resistant, totally adjustable for the Tucson because there's just not much room to install them, particularly if you don't want to block your radar or sensors. So this is a perfect size, so it'll just sort of fit right in between your radar and sensors and stuff like that, so it won't hinder the performance of your ADAS features. Really good quality light. It comes with or without the wiring kit. I chose the fog lights without a wiring kit because it saves me some money, and I have a ton of wiring kits and toggle switches already. But the fog light itself is about $40, and with the wiring kit it's about $65, which is a pretty reasonable deal considering that it's a high quality light. And I can't wait to install this thing. It's going to happen soon, so I hope you subscribe and watch me do that. Also, I got this fuse box. It's an auxiliary fuse box. It's got 6 relays and 11 fuses. That's where I'll be wiring in all my accessories. Just because I have a ton of accessories like my dash cam, fog lights, Raptor lights. I got LED engine bay lights, and I got footwell lights, and I'm gonna have a subwoofer coming. I got additional rear turn signal lights and backup lights, so it's all gonna be wired right into this auxiliary fuse box because I don't want to leach any amperage from my existing 2 fuse boxes, so the auxiliary fuse box is the best idea and method for me, and maybe you as well if you want to hook up a lot of accessories. I have a separate video on that. I left the link for you up above, and stay tuned if you want to see me hook up these fog lights. I'll post a video next month or so, and I hope to see you then.